Hello everyone, Alice the Gmail here with a share video of something I received in the mail from a fellow YouTuber. Ben's Sawmill did me the honor of making this cutting board and air fryer pot place to sit. I had asked him on a live stream one day if he had a board about 2 inches thick that I could buy from him, but the kind and generous man that he is, he refused that and said he would give it to me. Mr. Ben, I can't thank you enough. This means a lot to me. And I hope you know how much I appreciate your generosity. Remember everyone, be kind to someone today. Give somebody a hug. Tell somebody you love them. And never, ever be mean or a bully to someone. I'm going to end with sending love and hugs to everyone. Bye now.